Here we go with talking. Fiona. She sounds like a baby alligator. Have you ever heard a baby alligator talk?
No.
They make these little squeaks that sound just like this.
Can I ask this?
Yes. Fiona, show me your mouth.
You ever heard them?
No, she's got to chew on her fist. Uh-oh, are you getting fuzzy? You sound just like a baby alligator. You do. It's true.